National Service Training Program aims to promote and integrate values education, transformational leadership, spirit of patriotism and nationalism, and sustainable social mobilization for youth development, community building, and national security. Nstp classified three program components to ROTC, CWTS, and LTS. First, ROTC, or Reserve Officers Training Corporations, which designed to provide military training to tertiary level students in order to motivate, train, organize, and mobilize.
CWATS, or Civic Welfare Training Service, is designed to encourage the youth to contribute in the improvement of general welfare and quality of life of the local community and its various institutional components, more particularly in terms of health, education, safety, recreation, and LTS, or Literacy Training Service, is designed to teach literacy and numeracy skills to school children, out-of-school youth, and other segments of society need.
In 1935, the President Quezon established the National Defense Act or Commonwealth Act No. 1, which obliged students in college to undergo 4 semesters of military training to prepare for national defense. In 1980, the President Ferdinand Marcos has announced the National Service Law, which allowed students to have a freedom to choose between the 3 components. These are the Civil Welfare Service, Law Enforcement Service, and Military. Moreover, in 1986, due to the martial law, the President Aquino has announced the Presidential Memorandum Order No. 1, which tackles about the suspension of Civil Welfare Service and Law Enforcement Service that made the military service only left. In 1995, the President Fidel V. Ramos extended the ROTC program and was categorized into 2 curriculums. In first year, the students are still ought to undergo the military service, while the second curriculum year would be optional, whether. The 2001 former President Arroyo has suspended the ROTC program for temporary due to the different issues that raise a threat inside the community, in particular of the death of Mark Wilson Chula. Furthermore, in 2002, the National Service Training Program or Republic Act 9163 was signed into law by Gloria Macapagal Arroyo.
DepEd Vision, Mission, and Core Values. DepEd Vision. We dream of Filipinos who passionately love their country and whose values and competencies enable them to realize their full potential and contribute meaningfully to building the nation. As a learner-centered public institution, the Department of Education continuously improves itself to better serve its nation. DepEd Mission. To protect and promote the right of every Filipino to quality, equitable, culture-based, and complete basic education where students learn in a child-friendly, gender-sensitive, safe, and motivating environment. Teachers facilitate learning and constantly nurture every learner. Administrators and staff, as stewards of the institution, ensure an enabling and supportive environment for effective learning to happen. Family, community, and other stakeholders are actively engaged and share responsibility for developing lifelong learners. DepEd Core Values: Makadiyos, makatao, makakalikasan, makabansa.